This is Mike Stokes with Lush Planet Design Build, and I wanted to make a video just about the latest project that we did. If you can see behind me, there is a bench that we built, the corner bench. So I'm going to turn the phone around now and show you what we did. So you can see the bench has a corner, and then the base is actually a retaining wall. So the client in this particular case wanted to have the retaining wall because the slope sloughs off dirt onto this new deck that we built. So we built the retaining wall, and then we had a really interesting design challenge of how to make a back with not much of anything to attach it to in the back. So if you look down here, you can see there's these metal straps, and then there's a long, we took I think it's a 2x10 and ripped it down, or 2x8, and ripped it down to the proper width, and then made a backing surface that we could then nail into. We put a little bit of paper back there just to stop any dirt from coming through, and there you have it. We built the retaining wall with the posts in the back, and then we added posts in the front to make the step a little bit wider. Not the step, the seat, because it seemed a little bit narrow. So that's the coolest part of this job. Then if you span around here, we just put in some railing to match the existing railing, and then we put in these stairs. So I'm going to walk down the stairs, trying to keep the camera steady. So you can see we just added these. This is the old deck that was existing that we had nothing to do with. And then you see the nice new stairs that go up, the nice handrail. And then you can see we matched this existing handrail that was there. Basically just sandwiched in some painted metal wire. And then this little deck over here for the jacuzzi was just a little tiny deck with these little tiny stairs. That was all pre-existing. So we just added a whole nother level to the deck, just extended it out, and then put these little wraparound pressure treated steps up. And this was just one wide, so it didn't really make sense for the jacuzzi. So we just doubled the width and then added another little retaining wall to keep the soil from dropping on this little deck area. So that's it. I think the most interesting thing, well, then also you can see under here, you can see the framing that we had to do. We had to basically design this deck so that it matched the slope of the hillside. So we had to bury our footings really close to the ground, right over at the edge near the slope of the hill. And that's it. We also turned this was a window over here, and we just turned it into a sliding glass door. That's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments on the YouTube channel. If you want more information about construction or types of things that we build, please visit the website lushplanet.net, and have a great day.